How to use Ideogram AI for logo design. So Ideogram AI is a powerful tool for generating logos and visual design quickly and very efficiently. So by using its capabilities, and you can create a unique logos that reflect your brand identity. Here's a contest guide how you can do this. So let's create an account. I will just use my Google to sign in here. Now here I use my Google account to log in into this, right? Now understand the interface because it's very really important. Now familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can input your prompts, which you can see here. Describe what you want to see because this prompt will help you to generate images. You can also remix existing design by clicking on them, right? So I can just upload here. For example, I have a design and I can just upload here, right? In this way it will be really, it can just get a good idea, and after that by entering the prompts I can change it. Now to maximize your results, crafting details prompt is essential. Now specify the logo type here. Decide if you want a wordmark, mascot, or emblem logo. For example, a prompt could be a minimalistic logo for a tech startup, or a playful mascot logo of a robot. So basically I have entered the prompts in a such a, for example, I want something funny, not very too serious, right? And the first one is minimalistic. That's why you have to make sure that what prompts you're entering. Now reference famous designer or specify artist techniques in your prompt. For instance, a flat vector logo of a lion head, minimal by Paul Rand, right? And here I can just set up each and everything. Just to show you an example, just go and click on create. Now you have to wait for 30 seconds if you use the free version here. Now utilize features like magic prompt, with each enhance your initial input for better variety and richness in the generated image. Type your crafted prompt into ideogram and hit generate. This AI will process your request, and as you can see here over the screen, and it's really interesting, and this is how it looks, right? So for example, I like this one, as well as the first one is a really interesting one. And you can see here you can add a text, you can edit this out, you can just add more prompts, and it will look really enhanced, right? For example, I can just go and click on remix, and in the remix I can just add more rate. I can change the prompts here, the color palette and everything. So this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.